Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We've got some pack openings today. Lorcana, Rise of the Floodborn. Have you guys been opening or collecting any from the set, or have you guys been playing the game actually? Seems fun. I've watched some of the other YouTubers play, and yeah, there are some really cool cards out there. I guess we can get started. Let's open Beast. So, have you guys opened or pulled any enchanted cards yet? I've gotten 2. Still trying to get the rest of them. There's what, 10 more? Yeah, right. There's 12 in this set, I think. There's the Knock, Snow White, Elsa, Lady Tremaine, Jasmine, Charge, Mother Gothel, Mouse Armor, Bounce, Gaston as one of our rares. Ooh, Scar. Okay, I think this is the 3rd one I've pulled. And then Little John. I have not even seen this card. And it is our holo foil for this pack. That's cool. I didn't know he was in this set. And this is already 80 packs in or so, I think, that I've opened. Okay, let's put the foil there. Legendary down there. All right, and let's see. Let's continue on. Next pack, Queen of Hearts. Let's see. I know prices on packs did go down because of the availability. So, just wondering if you guys have been able to pick some up. Okay, Prince Naveen. There's Bounce, Pinocchio, Dopey, World's Greatest Criminal Mind is one of our rares. Nice. And Lady Tremaine, super rare. Grand Pabby. I don't think I even got this one. I've pulled this one either, so wow. And this is also a cold foil. That's really interesting. Wow. Even opening so many packs, I haven't even seen any of these cards yet in the non-holo version. Okay. All right, and our last pack is Raya. Let's see what's in here. All right, Ratigan, Basil, Snow White, Winnie the Pooh, Honey Wizard. This is really cool art. I'm surprised I haven't pulled more of him. This is a common card. I think I've only seen maybe 2 or 3 of these out of all the packs I've opened. There's Felicia, Donald Duck, Sword in the Stone, Pacha, Tiana, Noi, one of our rares, Madame Mim, the Fox, and our cold foil, so Donald Duck. Okay. I mean, it's not too bad for today's. Well, actually, I think it's pretty good since we were able to pull Legendary, Scar, super rare, Lady Tremaine. And then we got 3 cold foils. 2 of these are one super rare. Grand Pabby. It's Donald, and the rare Little John. I don't know the value of these cards yet. But if you guys are interested in picking these up, either for your collection or even to play and build your deck with, All of these will be listed in my TCG player account. The description, the link is in the description below. All right. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave a comment below, or you can message me directly through TCG Player, eBay, Facebook, Gmail, Etsy. All the information should be in the description below. All right, and I think we are done for this week with Lorcana. So I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.